Hello guys, I welcome you to our Remedial One YouTube channel. This is Mr. AB here. Today we are going to look at concept of mensuration, where a figure or a shape will be inscribed in they will shade somewhere and they will ask you to find the shaded area, or they will ask you to find the radius. For the next 2 or 3 weeks, that's what we're going to look at it as you're getting ready, preparing for your final exams, for your JAM exams, for your WAEC exams, and all other examination ahead of you. You will be ready, set to go. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so. If today is your first time here, like the video and share with your friend, your classmate. In the diagram above, O is the center of the circle. We have the size AB, BC of a triangle ABC are 24 and 7 centimeters respectively. So they have already also labeled inside the diagram. They want us to find the radius. Radius is either from here to here or from here to here. So that means if we can able to find the whole of AC, the half of the AC will help us to find our radius. That's the AC. That's the diameter. So the figure inside is a triangle. They told us that we need to know this symbol right here. This symbol right here is a perpendicular symbol. That means it's a right triangle. That means its angle is 90. So that means the triangle is a right triangle. Then we can able to apply the Pythagoras theory over there to find the length AC. And the Pythagoras theory stated that the hypotenuse squared is equals to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. AC squared must be equals to AB squared plus BC squared. The AC we don't know, but the AB is 24, so 24 all squared, and then BC, which is 7 all squared. So therefore we are looking for our AC squared. So the calculator is allowed. You can grab your calculator and then also use it, which is allowed. So 24 squared plus 7 squared, and that will give you 625. But we are looking for AC, which is going to be square root of 625, which is a perfect square, which is supposed to 25. But if you don't know, you grab your calculator once more again, and so square root of 625, and that's 25. So that gives us 25 centimeters. As we are answering A, radius, which is a R, is going to be half of AC. So AC is 25, and half of it is going to be 12.5 centimeters. So as we are answering the B, we have two shapes here. We have a circle and we have a right triangle. Okay, so the shaded portion, for us to find that, is going to be the area of a circle with that center O minus the area of the triangle ABC. So first of all, let's go ahead, since we are working with a triangle, let's go ahead and find the area of a triangle. This is a right triangle, so it's going to be the base length times the height divided by 2. And be careful, don't go and use a 25. When we are talking about the height, you have to be the perpendicular, so you have to either it's going to be 7 or 24. And then if that is a height, you can turn it around. If you take the 7 to be the height, then the base length is going to be 24. So be careful, you're not going to use a 25 that we got from here. Most students will make that mistake. So here, 24 times 7 all on 2. That will give us 84 centimeters squared. Now we are looking for the area of a circle. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. They have given us the pi to be 22 on 7 times the radius, which we got it to be 12.5 5. You can also grab your calculator as we have been doing. 22 on 7 times 12.5 squared. That give you this, so you can convert it back to decimal. So here we got 491.07, and that's centimeters squared. Therefore, the area of the shaded is going to be, the circle is a bigger one, so the circle, and then you take where the unshaded one, which is a triangle, 491.07 minus 84, and that will give us 407.07 centimeters squared. But the question wants us to run it to the nearest whole number. So the nearest whole number is going to be 407. The whole part, this is a decimal part, so the whole part is that 407 centimeters squared. And this will give you the full marks that you needed. So thank you very much for sticking with me to the end. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so, and in the weeks ahead I'll be coming on your way with this kind of questions.